sunny afternoon of castle touring and salami making can really work up a thirst. My guides tell me that the Coldesina bottling factory is the best place to learn about southern Switzerland's most beloved soft drink. Bottles are prepped for a traditional sparkling beverage that's been produced in the Ticino region for centuries. Called gazzosa, the drink was once known as the champagne of the poor.
Dove vengono tolte dalle casse. Qui metteremo la dose.
Coldesina owner Franco Caragatti explains that gazzosa fans are very loyal to the drink. One of his secrets is a pure distillate that doesn't rely on additives, such as artificial flavorings or preservatives. Gazzosa is a nostalgic favorite among locals, bringing back childhood memories of long summer days, afternoons with friends, and family get-togethers.
Try some of this, the traditional lemon.
Provare.
That signature pop is one of the reasons Gazzosa got its champagne nickname.
Aspetta, facciamo salute, eh?
We make cheers. Wait a minute.
Salud.
Coldesina is one of the few family-owned businesses that continues to quench the Swiss thirst for tradition.